Recycling is one of the most tangible daily activities that a homeowner can do to create a positive impact on the environment and the economy. By recycling instead of landfilling our waste products, we can conserve natural resources, use less energy, and create less pollution. We also preserve landfill space for those materials that are truly hazardous or non-recyclable, reducing the need for new or expanded landfills in our area. Recycling also has economic benefits as materials that might otherwise be wasted are returned back into the manufacturing economy, creating jobs and value. Recycling is an essential aspect of community stewardship and sustainability. You can do your part by putting your recyclables in your recycling cart instead of your trash can. In our communities, we have what is known as single-stream recycling. Single-stream recycling refers to a collection system that allows homeowners to place all of their recycling together in the curbside bin or cart. With a single-stream system, recycling is simple and convenient for homeowners and improves collection efficiency. Recycling is important, and it's important to recycle right. Be sure that you are only putting those items that are acceptable for recycling in your cart, such as paper, cardboard, cartons, plastic bottles, and containers, metal cans, and glass bottles and jars. Never put unacceptable or hazardous items into your cart. Things such as plastic bags, foam packaging and carryout containers, food items, hoses, wire, batteries, and propane tanks should never go into your recycling cart. The night before or the morning of your regular collection day, place your recycling cart properly at the curb with the lid opening toward the street. Your city's contracted hauler will pick up your recyclables and deliver them to the Recycling Authority's Material Recovery Facility, also called a MRF for short. The recyclables collected in your neighborhood are delivered to the Materials Recovery Facility in Southfield. As the trucks arrive, they are first weighed at the scale house. The trucks empty their recyclables inside the building on the tipping floor. Nearly 400 tons of material arrive daily from our communities and communities throughout the Southeast Michigan region. The pile of material is managed by a loader that puts the material into the in-feed hopper to begin the sorting process. The recyclables at the MRF are loaded into a conveyor system that carries the material to various sorting stations, where manual or mechanical sorting takes place. The system can sort more than 20 tons per hour. The material first goes through the pre-sort station, where employees remove non-recyclable items as well as capture large recyclable items such as oversized plastics. This is a very important part of the process because it allows the removal of items that may decrease efficiency, create safety hazards, seriously damage machinery, or stop facility operations. Next, the material goes across a series of rotating discs called a corrugated cardboard screen, which is designed to separate cardboard from the rest of the material. The cardboard is diverted onto a separate conveyor where it is quality checked before being moved to a storage bunker. Non-recyclable items such as plastic bags, hoses, wire, and videotape compromise the efficiency and effectiveness of the corrugated cardboard screen. A number of times each day, the MRF must stop operating to allow employees to clean the screen, freeing it of non-recyclable debris. Following the cardboard screen, the materials go through two similar screens designed to separate newspaper and mixed paper. Both of these types of paper are also manually quality controlled. Any remaining paper that wasn't captured by the screens is removed with an optical sorting machine using lasers and air jets. The lasers are used to identify paper items on the conveyor belt and calibrates their location with air jets that divert the items onto a separate conveyor. After the paper materials are removed, the remaining glass, plastic, and metal is separated by type by employees and high-tech equipment. Glass bottles and jars are crushed, shaken, and vacuumed clean and sent to a storage bunker. Clear plastic bottles and containers, such as water bottles, are separated by an optical sorter, in the same way that the optical sorter separates small paper. Steel cans are separated with a magnet into their own storage bunker. The remaining plastic items are manually separated by type. Aluminum is captured with an eddy current, which is an electrical current that uses the electromagnetic spectrum to repel the aluminum onto a separate conveyor. Finally, all of the leftover non-recyclable material is manually quality controlled to ensure that any additional recyclable items are not sent to the trash compactor, but captured and recycled. The Material Recovery Facility sorts more than 20 tons per hour. After the material is sorted, it is loaded into bunkers before being sent to the baler for compacting, the exception being glass, which is loaded from the bunker directly into trailers. Once a bunker is full, the sorted material is emptied onto a conveyor system built into the floor and fed into a baler. The baler can produce bales weighing as much as 3,400 pounds. That's the average weight of a beluga whale. Finished bales are placed in storage until they can be loaded onto trucks and shipping containers that deliver the finished product to end markets. Truckloads of material from the MRF are sold and shipped to facilities such as paper mills, secondary processors, and manufacturers throughout the US, North America, and the rest of the world. Materials made from paper, such as office paper, cardboard, and newspaper, are shipped to paper mills to make new paper products. Aluminum cans are recycled into new aluminum cans. Bales of steel are melted down and made into new steel products. Plastic processors and manufacturers use the recycled plastic to make a variety of new products, including plastic bottles and containers and carpets and fleece clothing. When you buy new items with recycled content, you complete the recycling loop.
Recycling is important, but it's also important to recycle right. So if you're in doubt, it's better to keep it out. For information on what and how to recycle, check out our website at RRRASOC.org or follow us on Facebook. Or use our Recycling Directory app to find out how to properly recycle, donate, compost, or dispose of specific items.